Thunder bikes actually, we're trying to go for a long ride, and we decided to go with Thunder bikes. We really thankful to them for arranging this particular trip. We had to go through a lot of struggle in the between because earlier the trip was Srinagar, and then they had gone through a lot of reshuffling, and finally we are here in Leh. And I always wanted to do something special for my wife, so 24th was her birthday, and we actually landed here and gave a very good surprise party. Thanks to Prasad, Grishma, and entire Thunder Bikes group for that.
काल आम्ही लेहला पोचलो. कालचा दिवस जरा हेक्टिक गेला. बॉडी ॲक्युमलाइज व्हायला थोडा वेळ लागला. संध्याकाळी आम्ही डिनरसाठी ला पिझ्झा रेटला गेलो. तर तिथे आम्ही लेहची स्पेशल डिश थुक्का ही खाल्ली. चिकन मोमोज खाल्ले. नंतर आज सकाळी आम्ही थिक्सेला गेलो, पण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली तिथले मंदिरं बंद असल्यामुळे आम्ही ते काय पाहू शकलो नाही.
तर बुलेटवरचा पहिला दिवस हा एक्सायटेड होता. याच्यापुढे अजून किती गोष्टींना, किती आव्हानांना सामोरं जायचं आहे याचा विचार आम्ही अजून उद्या करतो. उद्या कुठल्या ठिकाणी आम्हाला व्हिजिट करायची आणि तो रोड कसा असेल. आजचा रोड बघायला गेलं तर त्यातल्या त्यात चांगला होता आणि बुलेट चालवण्याचा जो अनुभव आहे त्याच्यामुळे आमचा कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल जी आहे ती वाढली.
We started to Lamayuru. We went and reached to Sangam. While reaching to Sangam, the change in landscape was amazing from Leh to Sangam.
And so we rode roughly 125 kilometers on the Srinagar-Leh highway. And on the way, we saw some spectacular landscapes. Soaring high mountains, deep river valleys.
रास्ते में हम लोग रुके थे. वहाँ पे there was Zanskar River and Indus River का संगम, which was a really amazing sight. Fantastic place. So really good photo ops there. So that was very good.
Then we came out and we had lunch. I took the bike while coming back, and again riding a bike in such a terrain with such a landscape is again out of the world.
So really good day. Fantastic high speed riding. I think perfect weather. Beautiful landscape. The best of Ladakh, I would say. Very good. Great.
ओके, तो आज रास्ता ख़राब है खरदुंगला के लिए, और यहाँ से जब निकलेंगे तो खरदुंगला पहुँचने से 15 या 20 किलोमीटर्स पहले और उसके 15 किलोमीटर बाद पूरा ख़राब है. तो उस रोड पे मैं आगे लीड करूँगा यहाँ से स्टार्ट. तो ओवरटेक नहीं करेगा कोई भी, और बैकअप पे पीछे कोई नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है सर.
The big day from Leh to Khardungla Pass to Nubra Valley. It was one of the most challenging rides that I've ever done, and it was also the most thrilling at the same time. The views were spectacular.
This is at 4,200 meters above sea level, mean sea level. It's a fantastic view. We are on our way to Khardungla. I think we've had a great start this morning.
Finally, somehow we reached to the point, to the peak, and we felt very happy. We have achieved something. So that was really good, I believe, right?
So spent a bit of time, had some chai pani there, some sightseeing, which is fantastic. Then came back to Dixit, which is where we stayed overnight.
तर आम्ही डिस्किटमध्ये निघालो आणि डिस्किटपासून पुढे 7 किलोमीटर अंतरावर आम्ही सँडड्यून्सला गेलो.
हां, सँडड्यून्समध्ये तिथे कॅमल राईड, जे कॅमल जे आपण डबल हम्पवाले कॅमल आहेत ते तिथे पाहिले. राईड घेतली नाही, पण पाहण्यात जो आनंद होता तो छान होता.
Day 4 is a journey from Dixit to Turtuk. Turtuk is a place, actually we did some search about Turtuk also before we reached there. This is the last village on India-Pakistan border where residents can go. So that is really an exciting experience that we are going to have it. And that's we thought. And then we headed towards Turtuk. The roads were again very nice.
Then we crossed one of the bridges, which was the old Indo-Pak border, which actually that place was captured during the Kargil War, 1997-99, I think 99, which is when they India sort of gained that particular land. Then we made all the way to Turtuk. Fantastic place, really nice. We went to a guy, local guest house guy called Salim, and we had some really good food there.
Diskit to Turtuk, I think roughly 90 kilometers of reasonably good roads one way, and the entire ride from Diskit to Turtuk is extremely scenic. It's one of the most beautiful rides that I've ever been on.
मी सुखरूप परत एकदा डिस्किटमध्ये पोहोचलो.
पुन्हा पॅकिंग करून उद्याच्या जर्नीला आम्ही तयार आहोत.
थँक्यू.
Alright, so today was another great day of riding. We started out in the morning from Diskit. So our first stop was at Diskit Monastery, and we saw a massive statue of Buddha up on the high mountains, and we enjoyed some great views of the entire Nubra Valley.
Two days ago, we went to Nubra Valley, passing Khardungla Pass, and that time I was in car, so I didn't realize what it takes to pass or to go through Khardungla or ride through Khardungla basically. Apart from a little bit dizziness and a little bit of uneasiness, it was all okay. We reached Nubra Valley without any discomfort.
आणि खारदुंगला पास क्रॉस करून पुढे आल्यानंतर साऊथ पुलू म्हणून आहे, तिथे ही सगळी मंडळी आमची थांबली होती मॅगी वगैरे खाण्याकरता. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली मी त्यांना बघू शकलो नाही आणि आय जस्ट क्रॉस देम आणि सरळ पुढे येऊन मी लेहमध्ये पोचलो. लेहमध्ये रस्ता माहीत नव्हता. आम्ही दोघंच, मी आणि शीतल दोघंच गाडीवर होतो, त्यामुळे रस्ता शोधत आम्ही शांतिस्तूपाच्या बेसपर्यंत आलो, एंट्रीपर्यंत, आणि तिथून मग आम्हाला ग्रीष्मानी हॉटेलपर्यंत आणलं.
It's good to have some solo time with you, to have some solitude from the rest of the world when you go to Leh Ladakh. That is what and again the last thing is the journey back to Manali, where the landscape changes from barren to green. Again, it's a treat to watch. So these are few of the things I would say everyone should look for watching when they are planning a trip to Ladakh.